So here we are. Let's do this. Hello everyone, I hope everyone's doing great. Thank you so much for watching my channel. And in this video, I'm going to share how to install this wonderful thing that I found in Amazon. It's a pull-out trash can shelf, and definitely it's going to help us a lot because our space under the sink for the trash can is like as small as you can see it. So we have very hard time like trying to put the trash into the trash can and also taking the trash out. So we'll see if this little guy help us. I found it in Amazon. The price is very convenient, and all of the information I will put in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and this was like my original trash can, this little guy. So now we're gonna use this shelves. Basically it's like a pull-out trash can shelf, and look how it's gonna work. Like, let's see if I can do it with my hand, one hand. So it's supposed to like take the garbage trash can out and like go back again. So what we're gonna need, well, first we need to order this pull out trash can shelf, and it takes like one day until you get it if you have this delivery method. And also you are gonna need this drill, and I think it's measurement tape, and that's all. So let's do it. I hope it helps you if you have something like this, and or at least if you want to just reorganize your thing in the kitchen, your things, the cabinets especially, because sometimes it's hard to get access to some places on the under or in the cabinets. So let's do it together. So I'm gonna move this camera here. Okay, so what you're gonna do is with the measurement tape, we're just gonna make sure like we have enough space here. It's one, and it has to be one here too. Okay, one. Yeah, so then when we close the door, it's not gonna, you know, hit the door. But let's move to the center. Well, it wasn't that easier. I mean, it wasn't that hard, but it wasn't that easier either, because for some reason those screws, my opinion, those screws are very soft. So well, here we have this. Oh, so now it's installed. You see, so what we're gonna do is basically to put the other part here, these little guys. So we have to follow the picture because they don't send the instructions, like very clear instructions, but we have to follow the picture. So let's see how it works. But for now, at least you can see we have the big part basically. Okay, so let's do the other part. Okay, again, here we are. So what we have to do based on the picture is this guy goes in the back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this guy is here. Oh, it seems like it can be any of this. Unfortunately, they don't show us how it's supposed to be. I mean, it seems just like this. It depends. Oh yeah, I got it. It depends. How do you want it? It can be like there, and it's basically like this open. This is gonna basically it seems like this little wire here on the little part of it is gonna just hold. It's gonna hold or open the space for the trash can. And now what this other one is gonna do is gonna be in the back, holding the trash can in the back. You can see it from here. There goes one. Oh my. Okay. So we have this little guy now. Well, let's see from another angle. Well, now it's like, okay, there it is. It comes out very easy. So basically, I'm just realized that this we can adjust. This, oh, how is it? This we can adjust. It depends like how big is the trash can. So now we're gonna try with the one that we have it. So let's do it. So it seems like we finished. So okay. So as you can see, we have this one already, but this one comes with the kitchen, I can say. Like, I mean, it was here before we moved. So we moved in. So the thing is, like, I want to install something similar here in the bottom. Here we have this part, and also we have the screws right here. So that makes a difference. The other ones doesn't have the screws. So okie dokie. And here it says what is supposed to come in the back. 4 wire brackets, and no. First of all is wire basket, so that's the one that I showed you before. And then now it says like drawer slide, so I think it's this, guys. And then like the wood screws as the larger one, and the other little screws are all 2 pieces supposed to go. The mounting template and the U-shaped support brackets. This, guys. So now let's see if we can put this, all of these pieces together. Okay. Okay. This U has to be positioned this way. You can see it, yes, this way. So now what we're gonna do is like place or make it this little part here be exactly on the holes, on the top of the holes. So let me move this here. And now we're gonna just like pull out all of it, and yes, so there it is. So you can see from here, let me get closer. You see, you can see those holes. So now what we're gonna do is just to put those little screws, the little ones. Uh-oh. Okay, there's one. Now the other one, the second one. Awesome. So at least now we have one part. And then we have to do the same thing in the other side, and it will be here. No, sorry. You see in here, and it's gonna be the same thing. So let me get closer and you can see it. You see those holes? Okay, hopefully you're seeing it. I cannot see from here what I'm showing you, but let me see if it's there much better. Okay, more visibility from there. So now we're gonna do the same thing. The little screws. Probably this one is better or easier, I mean. But just in case, you know, I prefer my drill than any another tool. Okay, it's going up. Okay, nice. And one more. And the same thing. Hi. Wait. Here we go. Here we go. Okie dokie. Awesome. Good. So, as you can imagine, now we're gonna just turn it around and do the same thing from the other side. So let's do the same thing. Just make sure like these little clips here, those ones are facing up, because that was what my first mistake, remember? So I'm telling you what I'm doing wrong, because I want that you get success. Don't do the same mistakes. Okay, let's move this. Okay, just making sure the ends are the same. Okay, so okie dokie, same thing. I wish that they sent us like some extra screws, and that way I can use it from the other one, because unfortunately the other pull-out cabinet organized, it didn't come with all of this, I mean with any screws. So here we go. Okay, so guys, you see like here we have like those little rubber kind of pieces, like they're like basically stocking when we move the rails. So those part has to be on the back. So we're gonna move this way. Okay, and this little template is gonna be here somewhere. let's see if it's like, okay, this way. I think in that way it's gonna help us, like how it's gonna be. So now basically we can like take out and come still here and goes back. But you know, comparing in the top, because you see that we have this one in the top, and I see like it's like just behind, just a little behind from where is like the basically the frame, the door frame. So I'm just gonna go a little bit behind too. Okay, so there it is. Just in case, we're going to be a little behind too. Okay, yes. So in the best of scenarios, the best of the instructions, it will be like, you know, taking measurements and everything, but I usually go by my eye. Probably that's why I get in trouble sometimes and I have to redo it. But anyhow, here we go. Do you see what I'm doing? No. Ah, no, yeah, you see. No, and 2 more screws. I think this side is more complicated to put those screws. But let's get closer. Let's see. Basically, we have what we need. Here are the rails going out. And here is the other one. Same thing. So what we're gonna do now is, I guess, install the little basket. Not too little. This one is not too little because it's. So let's see how it's supposed to be. I'm just wondering if it's holding. So, my friends, I assume this little part here, these little clips, remember the little clips right here? I assume they go this way because there is no other way that I can see it, how they can fit. So I assume this way, and because there it works good. Look, going back and coming out. Going back and coming out. It's like stocking a little bit there, but probably as much as I use, as much faster goes out. But for now, and then I think one of the most important part is if the doors are gonna be well closed. Oh yes, yes. Okay, yes. So, and that's why I have to clean my doors. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna do another video cleaning my cabinets doors. Fine, going back, coming out. Awesome, awesome. This is plastic, so it has to be there. And these are plastic, but it's the other way. Usually it's this, much better. And these are no plastic. So yeah, awesome. It looks great. I really like it. It wasn't that complicated, honestly, but you know, so that means it takes time until we figure out how it works or how it has to be, those little screws and this and that. But after that, it's very easy. So I assume that it's gonna be easy to put the other one over there. You see over there, the next one, that one, those little doors there. I'm gonna install the other one there for cutting tables. So this is nice. I'm so happy we made it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this part of the installation, and we'll see if I can add it in the same video the other one. Thank you for watching. Okay, so here it is. Just make sure, like when you close the doors, you know, there is enough space. I wish that when they send us this mounting template, this piece of paper or mounting template, it will have like some, the measurement tape right here, drawing it. That would be great. But this way, it doesn't help me too much. But anyways, the point is like we have to make sure like it's aligned, right? And we're ready to put the longer screws right here, the biggest one, in this little holes, this, and this. So you saw me already how I did in the other one, so I'm not gonna record it right now because you know it's gonna take more time, but I will show you the final result. And here it is. So the final result. So it seems it's working well. So now we have the top and also we have the bottom. So, oh my goodness, we finished with the project. The doors are closing well. Great. So I will put some things in there, my cutting tables, and that's all. I'm very happy about the results, but I wish like they sent some more instructions or instructions more detailed, but at least we can make it, and I hope this video helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching it. Okay, so it's going good. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. That one's okay. Good. So that one is good. Okay, let's move my tray. But it's only one. Oh, it's gonna be this one, please. Let's see. Oh, wait a minute. I think